As of 2 o'clock this afternoon, we already have reached the 79%. Most of these are in NCR. Most of these are those who doubted that the government will really implement the program and were thinking of an extension. So
Mhm.
until 5:30, we are confident sa NCR lang, puno na itong 80%. And this is also being duplicated in major areas like Cebu and Davao na marami pa rin hong sumasama. Tumaas na po initially nung December that was about 54%. Right now we are at 57%. We anticipate to reach the 60% mark by this afternoon ho dahil dagsa ho yung mga tao ngayon. And we're confident to reach the mark of 60% po. Sa pananaw ko po, from my own perspective, after a thorough study, 60% is more than enough. Why? Number one, you have other modalities here. May bus ka, may train ka, may taxi ka, di ba? May tricycle ka. There are other modes of transportation that can cover these public utility jeeps that would now leave the streets. So, what does that make of it? Sufisyente. And Aaron, if you notice, kung except on peak hours, di ba ang daming jeepney na dalawa, tatlo lang ang sakay? What does that say? We have an oversupply of public utility jeeps and we really need to trim down the number if we are to make this jeepney modernization program as a success and as a viable alternative. So, hindi ho tayo kakapusin. Ma'am, technically, by April 30, those who did not join the industry consolidation of the jeepney modernization program have already lost their franchise. Pag wala kang prangkisa, that means kolorum ka. Pag kolorum ka at bumiyahe ka, you are susceptible to being apprehended with a penalty of 1 month, 1 year suspension for the driver and 50,000 pesos for the motor vehicle that was apprehended. Now, magkakahulihan ba as of May 1? Not yet. Why? Under the Public Service Act, it is required under the law na lahat po yan ay padadalhan ng notice with a show cause order. Pagpapaliwanagin po sila kung bakit hindi po dapat sila matanggalan ng prangkisa. Is this the legal course? Yes, because this is prescribed by the law. This is what is required by the law. So technically, we may not yet apprehend until such time that we have heard their case.